Good morning, everyone. My name is Balaji. I'm a member of Coimbatore Nature Society and also a member of CAI Young Indians. I'm very thankful for this opportunity to present this presentation in the Tamil Birders Meet of 2020. I'm going to take a little bit of time to share the making of Coimbatore, the second edition. If you look at the project is actually brought out by Confederation of Indian Industry, Young Indians Coimbatore chapter, and also Coimbatore Nature Society. So two organizations have joined together. They were the partnering organizations for the first edition as well. So if you look at the project timeline, we started this project in September 15, 2020 and completed this project in December 8, 2020. So a little over 2.5 months we have completed this project, which is like quite a feat by itself. And this project is conceptualized and created by Mr. Pavendan, myself, Balaji, and Mr. Prakash. We constituted the core team of this project. So this book has like forewords from Mr. Anwaruddin IFS, who is the Additional Chief Conservator of Forest, Coimbatore region, Dr. Pramod, Principal Scientist, Salim Ali Center for Ornithology and Natural History, Anikatti, Coimbatore, and Dr. Aishwarya Arjun, Chair, Young Indians Coimbatore Chapter, Mr. Selvaraj, President, Coimbatore Nature Society, and also a special intro on introduction and history of Coimbatore by Dr. Krishnaraj Vanavarayar, Chairman, Bharati Vidya Bhavan. So we are also very thankful for the supporting team from Coimbatore Nature Society, particularly Mr. Selvaraj, Mr. Vijay Kumar, Mr. Soundarraj, Ms. Sahitya, Mr. Nishant, Mr. Gandhi Kumar, Dr. Laya Manasa Sriram, Mr. Suresh Babu, and Dr. Sulajna Krishna Kumar. So I won't take much of your time. I just want to take a couple of minutes to go over some of the highlights of the book, the latest edition. This latest edition features about 409 species of birds recorded in Coimbatore district, and this is based on the Birds of Coimbatore checklist, which was also released by Coimbatore Nature Society in September 2020, and it follows the taxonomy of the Clements checklist of birds, updated as of August 2018. And it follows the updated common names as per eBird India. We are very thankful for the Bird Count India group for updating these common names. And this was accessed in September 2020. And it includes the latest IUCN status of all birds listed in this book. This is again updated on September 2020. And this time, as a departure from the first edition, we have included Tamil names alongside the common names, so which will make it easier for many of the local people to appreciate the names better. And we have sort of taken a different approach. We have not stuck to one single source. We have tried to base it on the prevailing consensus. So it includes easy to understand pictorial icons for habitat, and another very interesting feature which I hope a lot of people like is that we have included a QR code with each of the bird profiles. This QR code will take you to the bird calls page in Zenocanto, and we have included pictures of both male and female for important birds. Going to the book dimensions, it is 9 inches by 9 inches in size. It's full color, hardbound, 130 GSM, and it's about 320 pages of content. So this is how a typical bird profile looks like. It contains a detailed profile for each bird, the size, description of the male and the female of the species, its food habits, interesting behavioral aspects, distribution of the bird locally and globally, breeding season and clutch size for resident birds. And we have specifically chosen the photos which clearly show all the important identification pointers of the bird, so which I think most of the bird watchers will appreciate. And as a real treat for all the general readers, we have included a section on the history of Coimbatore, penned by Dr. B.K. Krishnaraj Vanavarayar, who is a very erudite speaker, very articulate speaker. So he has penned that forward, which we are very thankful to, and I hope a lot of people are able to appreciate the history of Coimbatore better in these few pages. So our appeal at this point is that please do support this project by referring this book to your friends, family, and of course get a copy for yourself. And also refer this to your associated institutions, to your schools, colleges, even your organizations. This is a wonderful book to have in your library. And please do give us feedback about the project. We'll be very happy to hear from you. And for those of you who are interested to pre-order the book, you can leave your details at this. It's a Google spreadsheet. You can leave your details, or you can write to sanusnature@gmail.com. You can also call or message to 9842261279, and that's the phone number of Mr. P.R. Selvaraj, the president of Coimbatore Nature Society. So thank you so much for your very patient listening, and I wish to thank here the organizers of Coimbatore, the Tamil Birders Meet 2020 for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.